Hi everyone, as Professor David has introduced, pseudoscience consists of beliefs and statements that confirm both scientific and factual, though they aren't compatible with the scientific methods. Therefore, in this video, I would like to introduce a story about Energy Dots, a real company that is using fake science to sell products, made up bogus scientific claims for monetary gain. Let's jump right into it. First, let's take a look on what Energy Dots on its website on the right claim that the products can do. Energy Dots is a startup that sells pricey stickers that promise to retune the energy around you and harmonize the spatial energy in the area. These stickers, such as the smart dots on the left, have tiny magnets on them. Based on the information in their website, they plan to retune the energy by using a process called entrainment, a law of physics discovered in 1665 by a Dutch physicist named Christian Huygens. The natural highly coherent fields retune the less coherent field they encounter by this process. According to the advertisement, the tiny magnets uses entrainment to neutralize EMF radiation when it is connected to an EMF transmitting device, such as a phone, laptop, or a baby monitor, before those EMF radiation can harm our body. Sounds cool, right? But what is wrong and why is it wrong here? Not even mentioning the science part. The way that the company used the word energy makes the idea in the advertisement become unclear. Now to the science part. To give you an overview, Cox in 2020 stated that we rate the claim that the smart dot reduces exposure to harmful EMF radiation as partly false. The brand makes misleading claims, including citing studies that are not based on science, funded by the manufacturer, or are not directly related to the product's function. In details, Wolf in 2019 pointed out that the company emphasized on dangers of electromagnetic radiations. However, the scientific community is still uncertain that such radiation has a negative effect on one's health. The company's website claimed that the electromagnetic fields are cause of ailments such as headaches, insomnia, and nausea. Well, these are common maladies that every individual suffer. Not only that, the company invention is also physically impossible, according to Wolf in 2019. It is obvious that a device that achieve what energy dots claim it would have to be uniquely designed for each device. According to energy dots, their smart dots reprogram the electromagnetic radiation surrounding us using the same magnetic technology as credit cards. Credit card magnetic strips can encode information in tiny magnets but cannot seriously change electromagnetic radiation. Also, by doing an experiment of observing the patterns of magnets in a spiral, it is concluded that the electromagnetic waves, such as those emitted by the cell phone, are not perturbed by these weak magnetic fields, despite the word magnets being in them. About the research that supports the project, Wolf in 2019 stated that the studies shown this website are very far from factual, and there is no evidence of peer review. To increase the credibility, these studies are listed next to real studies carried out by legitimate research teams. These research are nearly entirely useless for scientific investigation due to the absence of oversight. To add on with what Wolf reported, Cillian Jones in 2021 reported that these radiation protection phone stickers have no effect based on the research conducted by BBC News. However, the majority of scientists believe that even the greater electromagnetic spectrum frequencies that 5G may employ shouldn't be harmful to people. According to the World Health Organization, there are no documented negative effects on health outside of these bounds. So, in conclusion, the way that energy dots scam people would be an example of pseudoscience, and we all need to look carefully into something before deciding to believe it, especially in this internet era. Thank you for listening.